Hi, do you like the internet? Do you like mobile technologies? Do you like gaming? Then you need to learn how to code. We have a new club starting up. It's Code Club, meeting Tuesdays in the library right after school. What we're going to do is we're going to start by learning how to code games and simple animations in Scratch. You can create your own characters, record sounds, create backgrounds. There's a lot of opportunity for great fun in the library. So I'm going to show you some games that I've done in Scratch. There's Sporty Dinosaur, where a dinosaur can chase a baseball and catch it, run track, score a goal, and there's other games that involve scoring. Let's take a look at Hoops. In Hoops, you get to play against a ghost basketball player, where you can score points and impress your friends. It's a lot of fun coding. Check this out. As I grab the basketball, just scored points. See you in the library. Stop by to sign up to join Code Club. And I'll see you on Tuesday, if not before.